Alright crew, so welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hey, today we're over here at Count's Customs house, guys, and we got a treat for you. We got the Buick here, and we're gonna do a nice little video. We're gonna do a video of the Buick, and we're gonna do a good walk around. We're gonna do the interior, and of course I'm gonna get underneath the hood. As you guys know, I haven't been doing any videos lately. I took about a 3-week break, but I'm back and live, guys, so we're ready to get into it. So stay tuned and let's get into this video. All right, crew, let's do a quick look, talk about some of these custom trademarks that you got on this 56 Buick, man. I tell you what, Counts did an outstanding job. I seen him build this from start to finish. If I can find some of the videos when he first got the Buick, I know you guys saw it in the background whenever I was doing those old gas pumps. He done got everything chromed out on this baby. New chrome, as you see the front grille. Got the new custom headlights there. He also re-chromed his emblem with the Buick. I tell you what, man, it's just top notch how everything is. Everything is so immaculate on this vehicle. And I just learned something as well. Counts is telling me with these portholes here, okay, 4 portholes mean that it's a V8, and if you got 3 portholes, it means that it's a V6, guys. You got the US mags on here. Man, it looks sweet. Look at that body line. He actually dropped it. He also chromed that back there. He also put these nice chrome stripes all the way on the back of the hood there, and they got them going all the way up. All right, man. Of course, I know you guys want to look at that interior, so we're gonna go ahead and get inside the interior. I'm gonna open up the door so you guys can see it. All right, crew, we are back. Now, I tell you what, I'm gonna finish this video, but I want to see if you guys can tell the difference of how Counts done custom this Buick, okay? And if you guys can guess before the end of this video, I got a surprise for you. I'm not gonna say anything about it until I finish this to the end of this video and see if you guys can figure it out. If you guys can figure it out, write down some comments down below what you think it is. But it's an awesome customization that's just gonna blow your mind. All right, so let's go ahead and look inside first before we get underneath that hood. He actually designed and customized everything you see here, guys. Hopefully you can see that leather really good. He actually came up with the door design. And I'm gonna be honest, I'm gonna take a look for it. I actually helped him just decide what type of design, and he came up with the main thing and stuff. And I was like, you know what, that looked good, this doesn't look good. But he came up with it, he got all the designs down there. That's just awesome, guys, that's just awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut him and get a nice little video of everything. Custom gauges, decoded digital gauges. All leather inside. Another piece that I love about this customization is that he actually did the whole dash, and he put that leather, he took the whole dash out, guys, and redid the leather. He also took the dash out and he recustomized this here, the piece here that you see, all this here. He took it all out, and this is paint. All this is painted, trim. And one thing that I love is this custom console. It goes from the front all the way to the back. Got his, everything is electric windows. He got door poppers on it, electric. He got backseat cup holders, and he got, look at it, he got all the way up, and he even got his custom name on there. One piece that I really dig, guys, look at the inside headliner. He actually customized that. Oh, he made it in 3 pieces. Hopefully you guys can see that. And if you guys want to know how he did some of this stuff, write some texts and I'll tell you exactly the material and everything that he used for it. But look at that interior. I see Bill, he got the Billet Specialty steering wheel. Door poppers down there. Put the trim back on. Alright, crew, now we're going to go to the trunk area. It's going to blow your mind. All of this is leather trim inside all around. And all this here is metal that he formed over his tire. He custom built his tire. Let me see, get that sun glare out. Tell me this ain't slick. You won't be hauling no groceries in this baby. And if you guys see the emblem there, take you to the, it matches the front bumper emblem. And since we're talking about the front, let's go ahead and take a look underneath this hood. We make these custom covers here. You guys seen a few of them on my trucks, but I tell you what, these are just one of a kind. You can see how he got his breathers in there. It is so clean, so much room and space. How clean is that, guys? Windshield wipers work, everything. All right, crew, so like I told you, I want you guys, told you to think about what it is that's so custom about this vehicle. And I didn't say that at the beginning of the video, so this is at the end of the video. So I'm gonna show you one more time. If you guys haven't figured it out, this is actually a 4-door sedan, guys. Counts actually shaved the door handles on the back. And these models here, the 56, doesn't have any pillars here. So he actually took all the trim that's around the glass and had custom glass cut, and he just made it all clear and straight. When the windows is rolled up, I mean, you can't even tell. So this door actually comes open, but he just shaved it. As you can see in there, he got his door handles and stuff on the other side there. See if I can open it up for you. Check that out. Check that out. 4-door. You would never know it, guys. Never know it. Is that slick or what? How slick is that? So how many of you guys guessed that this was a 4-door? Did you already know it? That is bad, guys. Bad. Bad. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the 56 Buick. Counts did an awesome job on it. I'm so happy that he finished it up. And now we're going to go ahead and take it for a test drive, guys. And I'll see you guys after the test drive. Peace. First driver. Oh, probably you know, it sounds like you got the brake may be rubbing a little bit.
Well, they knew, so they probably
okay.
are.
Yeah. But it sounds like the back ones though.
Yeah, I know, but like I say, all that stuff is brand new, so it probably has to get wore to the calibers.
Well, I tell you, well, it's all right, man. Here. I mean, and it cruise good, rides good. I mean, that's cruise good once it's cruising on it.
Alright.
It cruise good, you can tell it got good power.
Yeah, but you feel a little bit like you say when you very first take off. I don't know
yeah.
what it is.
But it sounds like it's in the rear, don't it?
I can't tell. Really can't tell. Well, it's just the first time out, so.
Yeah, I think I can feel that vibrating.
I feel a little bit, maybe in the dry shaft. Do you think you get a shake of it?
There it is, man. I'll tell you what, that's a good old test drive there. Got a little stuff you need to work out.
A few little things.
All right, crew, so we're back here at the home garage. Man, oh man, what do you guys think about that 56 Buick? She was really slick, wasn't she? So, hey, that's the end of the video. We just took it for a test drive, and it had a few little quirks, you know, just things that he got to work out. We got neighbors riding by; they always waving. Real nice neighbors here in my area. But anyway, we just got through taking the Buick for a test drive, and we heard a little bit of rubbing, like in the rear end, and so that's something that he has to get adjusted and, you know, work it out. The more you drive these old classics, the better they're gonna get. But like I said, he just got through building that, so now it's time for him to drive it and work everything out. But I hope you guys enjoy that video. We got some other vehicles that we're gonna be doing some videos on. Actually, Count's got a few of them that I haven't quite yet got to, and we're also gonna start doing more of the car shows. You guys know I don't go to a lot of car shows, but when I do go to them, I also make sure you guys see all the videos that I actually do for the car shows. So anyway, guys, like I said, this is gonna be it for this video. I appreciate you guys hanging out. I know I haven't made a video in a while, but hey, this one here made up for all the weeks that I've been taking off. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I definitely catch you guys on the next video. Peace.